Hi and hello guys, this is Vignesh here. In this video what we are going to see is how to interface potentiometer with Arduino board. And also we will control this LED using this potentiometer values. Now let's get started. Now just take a look at this image. Here you can see this is actually the potentiometer, right? It is having two fixed ends and one variable end. Now just take a look over here, you will get a better idea. The first pin and the third pin is actually a fixed pins. Okay, it has been fixed to a particular ends. But when it comes to that middle pin, it has been connected with a movable wiper. Inside the potentiometer, one wiper will be there. It is actually movable one. Okay, whenever you are adjusting this potentiometer either in clockwise or anti-clockwise direction, what will happen is this wiper will move. According to that, the voltage value will also get changed. Okay, either it will get increased or decreased. Now one thing we have to keep in mind while using the potentiometer, in my case what I'm going to do is I'm just going to use this pin as a positive and this pin as a ground, and this pin I'm just going to give to the analog pin to measure the value. Okay, but if you wish to use this pin as a positive, now what you have to do is you have to use this pin as a ground, and this one it has to goes to any of the analog pin, no problem. So that's it guys. Now just take a look at the circuit. Here you can see guys, this is actually the potentiometer, and one end of the potentiometer where I am giving to the 5 volt of Arduino Uno, and another end of the potentiometer to the ground, and middle pin of the potentiometer where I am going to give is to the A2 pin of Arduino Uno. And also I'm just going to use one LED. I have already told you, right? We are going to control this LED using the analog values of this potentiometer. I have connected to the fourth pin for the testing purpose right now. Now we will jump into the programming. Now just take a look at the simple program. Here you can see what I have done is I have begun the serial communication with the baud rate of 9600, and also I'm just make the A2 pin as an input because it is going to read the value from the potentiometer, right? So for that purpose I have declared A2 pin as an input here. Now in void loop, I have created one integer variable called x, and also I'm just going to analog read that particular pin A2. Okay, and I'm just printing out and then give a certain amount of delay. In my case, I'm just providing 100 milliseconds. Now we will compile and upload the program. First of all, compile this. After compiling, just go and upload this program. Once uploading get completed, what you have to do is you have to open the serial monitor. Here you can see the value is actually right now is 2120, right? So it is actually reading a very less amount of voltage value. Now what I'm going to do is I'm just going to increase. Here you can see the value now becomes 7980 likewise. Okay, using this what I'm going to do is I'm just going to create one condition. For that purpose I'm just going to use one LED as well. I have connected one LED at pin number 4. Now inside the void loop what I'm going to do is if x value, the analog value, right, If it is greater than 100, what we are going to do is we just going to make the fourth pin as an high. Otherwise, it will be stay low. Very simple, isn't it? That's it. Okay, now we will upload our program. Once uploading get completed, just open the serial monitor. Here you can see guys, right now the value is 80, 79, right? It is actually less than 100. Right now what I'm going to do is I'm just going to increase the potentiometer value. For that purpose, I'm just going to adjust my potentiometer, and here you can see. Right now the value is becomes greater than 100. Now our LED is glowing successfully. Okay, so that's it guys. That's all about this experiment, and also the code for this experiment I have given the link in the description box. Kindly check out that. For more amazing videos, kindly like and subscribe. Thank you.